Well, guys, I took the Honda Rebel off of eBay. Yes, I know what you're saying. I took it down because I bought a it's called the Ultimate Jet Kit. What am I on here? It's called the Max, come on, man. Man, don't piss on everything down here. Go upstairs. Come on. That's why I didn't want you coming down here. I knew you were going to do that. Go upstairs. God damn it. Well, the Ultimate Jet Kit. I'm going to have to give you guys the name of the company that I bought this off. But it's all they do is they make carburetor jets, and they have like a jet kit wizard. You put in the elevation that you normally ride the motorcycle in. You put in the average temperature, and all the little things that you did to the motorcycle, like an air filter or aftermarket exhaust pipes, and any other upgrades. And they give you the jet kit that you should have for the motorcycle. So we have that coming in for this. It's supposed to give this 10 more horsepower, and it's supposed to fix the issue with these motorcycles that they have to warm up first. So in other words, once I put the jet kit in that carb, you should be able to start this without a choke and take off. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take off the carburetor once the kit comes in. Take the carb off. I'm going to take the gas tank off too. Upstairs. Okay? Go up. I'll be right up. He's just getting over allergies with his paws. His left front paw and his right rear paw were broken down really bad from his allergies, and he's been in for about a week. So he's getting antsy pants. But anyway, like I was saying, take the tank off, we're going to take the carb off, and we're going to paint the engine black. We're going to hit the engine with a coat of black engine paint. Because I'm gonna if this gives me, man, if I can get 30 horsepower out of this will have a lot of pickup. This will have a lot of pickup. Just don't hit your eye on this, whatever you do, guys. I already hit my forehead on this the other day, man. And here, let me show you what I do with the seat. See, that's that bolt I bought at Lowe's that day, a couple days ago. See, what I have here see, I have the spacer here. Max, you're messing up my video, man. Go upstairs. Come on. Believe it or not, that extra half inch makes this a little easier for me to ride. Now, I'm making another seat for this to where it's going to come back a little farther. What I did is I used the plastic pan from the old seat, and I'm going to buy another one of these brackets here, and we're going to bolt this to the plastic. The two bolts will go in the mount I have on the fender now. I don't know if you guys can't even see that down there, but there is a mount welded to the fender. When I made the fender, I welded the mount to the fender. I think that's in one of my videos, but this will come back. The new seat's going to come back farther. The back's going to go up a little. It's going to be cupped in here, and the front's going to come up. The front's going to come up to about here. It'll come up about 2-3 inches more. It'll be a little wider and just a little thicker. Not too thick, because I don't want to really sit high up. I like sitting low like this. But sitting low like this, most of the motorcycles up here, it's like gives it that chopper feel. You know? See, so when you're It kind of gives you that chopper effect. Because I really don't care about comfort, because I'm not using this to drive long distances. So we're going to have the seat, it's going to come back a little farther, and it'll be cupped just a little bit more than this. If I can get it cupped back here, it'll be something like that. That would be perfect. You see, I took the foam out of here. We got to touch that up a little bit. I just noticed how my steel plate's bowed there. You know what? I'm going to have to put something in there, guys. You know what? I might have to get a longer bolt. I don't think that bolt's long enough. Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. I gotta put a space underneath there. I don't like how that plate's. I just noticed that. I don't like how that plate's bowed like that. Other than that, yeah, we're gonna hold on to the Rebel a little bit more. Yeah, I had 300 people. 300 people, man. Thing's bright as hell, and that's glass too. 300 people looked at this. Not one person wanted it. I'll catch y'all later.